we make the streams.
Okay. Check to see if we had the ramp still or not.
Get enough wood?
We just passed the ramp place. Hopefully we don't lose my ramps. Oh yeah, I need to give you a ramp back.
How many slats of wood did you get?
None.
I
brought 4 slats of wood. 4 slats of wood. Oh.
Can't talk.
Alright, so we've been talking a lot about Tesla trucks, right? Oh my god, don't hate it. And I think one of the benefits of having a car like that, like a car that you convert into a truck, is you can put an engine in the back. So we are on our way. We're gonna pick up a car that you can put an engine in the back of, which I'm pretty excited about. I've always wanted one. It's not a Lamborghini. It's close.
Yeah, don't go there.
Don't say it's not a Lamborghini. It's close to say it's not a Lamborghini.
It's not a Lamborghini.
It's not a Lamborghini. Okay.
It's not.
I've always.
You should do everything in a question. It's not a Lamborghini.
It's not a Lamborghini.
No, how would you say that?
It's not. Whatever.
Is it a Lamborghini? And do like the whole video of questions.
Is it a Lamborghini? What is this? Like point the camera at it? But anyhow, as you guys know, I've been kind of wanting to step some things up around here for a little bit, and I've always wanted an exotic car. So that's what we are on our way to do today. I got the trailer hooked up to the truck. We're ripping down the highway. Blake's in the back, getting ready to take a nap. Ready for a nap. We got all the orders shipped from the giveaway, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. And we're gonna
2 months later.
Dang. No, there was only like 10 orders, so if
it was less than 1% of the orders.
No, it was like 0.02% or something of orders that we had issues with. But if that was one of you guys, we apologize. It's all shipped out. But new car, new build, coming soon.
When this event is, oh my god.
Series of events. Unfortunate events.
I'm like, how the viewers gonna see it, where we're at when this video shows.
Alright, so
that could actually be the title of the
video. Where we're at right now. We just got done with the all-wheel drive Turbo Civic guys, and I'm bored as hell. So
that thing's a piece of
no, that's not what it is. So just got done with the all-wheel drive Turbo Civic build. Hopefully, we bought this car in the future, and it's been lingering around the shop, hopefully, and you guys, it's been sitting under a cover, and you guys have probably been wondering what it is in the past videos, but now we're actually gonna go pick it up and show it to you guys. How's that, Ty? Is that a better intro?
What if you keep it in your garage?
I've been waiting for this day for months.
Years. So we're gonna wait to figure out this car until after the Turbo Civic is done. Yeah, because we need a worthy opponent. So now that the all-wheel drive Turbo Civic is done, it's the Lambo killer, but there's no Lambos around, but we're getting a kind of Lambo.
That was like a contradictory.
The kind of Lambo.
That was contradictory.
Well, this is we're filming this we're filming this in the future. We're talking about it, so I don't know what it is.
No, you're filming in the past, talking about it in the future, but also talking about it in the past.
That's fine. How was that Chick-fil-A?
Was it from the past or the future?
Was it good? All right, we're gonna go get
new car. We're getting a new car.
New car.
So, dude.
How's it going?
How you been? Sure, yeah.
All right, so we went to Walmart, grabbed this brand new battery, and in order to change it, we gotta yank off all this plastic front pieces. Tried removing the wipers, but I think we might be able to slide this out without having to actually pull them off. You gotta take apart the whole front end of this thing to just get that little bitty battery. Actually, that's a pretty big battery. That's bigger than the one I got.
The new Walmart special in there. Trav's gonna see if I'll start her what she does here.
For the knocking off or what? Is there oil in it? Yep. Right? Should we check the oil first?
I don't know.
You can't check the oil.
Yeah, you can.
Dipstick?
Try something.
Where is the dipstick though?
I don't know.
That's a tank.
Won't turn over.
This should have it.
It's probably locked up. It probably goes into like a safety something for it, so it won't turn over or something probably.
Should have a dry something,
She's in park and everything.
What does it say on the dash? Show my thoughts before I touch it. What does it say on the dash? It's in neutral. It's in neutral. Put it in park.
It doesn't have a park. I'm pretty sure.
It's probably in neutral because they towed it.
Yeah.
Connor, does it have a park mode?
Or is it just neutral?
No, yeah, it's neutral and emergency brake. It acts like a manual. It's weird.
Yeah. Well, it is just like solenoid to
Yeah.
gears.
Don't you have to like register the batteries in these things or what? Store?
Still shows like low battery, but
Yeah.
Did you tighten it all the way?
oh, actually I didn't tighten it.
Yeah.
The terminals? Alright.
Tighten it.
Tighten the terminals all the way down. We're gonna try it one more time, see what she does.
Maybe because the hood's not closed.
The frunk, Dave. Alright, let's try one more time. Let's see what she does. Still nothing.
Fine.
She's just freaking
Maybe
locked
it's
up.
locked up.
Could be locked up. Or it could go in like a failsafe where it
No.
won't turn over, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know, we'll have to do some research. V10 things. We'll have to. It's all new, so we'll have to do some research, figure it out.
It's an engine. They all go together. That's our turn. Just hold there.
Turn more, turn more. He's turned way more.
He needs to get it straight up. Keep going. How's that side look, Ty?
Right, clear.
You're good. Which to?
It's right there.
Get it, Blake.
Straight? Or keep straight?
All loaded up. So if you guys can't tell, this is a 2010 Audi R8. It does have the carbon package. It is the V10 model, and 27,000 miles. It has the carbon package. It is wrapped Nardo gray. Underneath that is gloss black paint. Decent tires. It does have a little nick in the wrap, but other than that, I mean, pretty clean little thing. And we are believing that it is locked up, but we'll talk about that a little bit more when we get back to the shop. About doing a Snapchat premium, release all the leaks, but that looks pretty good right there. I just had to stop. Been hold up traffic in this neighborhood for a couple minutes, so
Half an hour.
at least get a picture. Alright guys, so I think this is just super funny. So literally that same exact setup right there. Silver Ford Ranger. I had a tow dolly, but like towing freaking cars up and down this damn interstate. And then now is what we got. I don't know if this is any better, because it's a freaking broken one, but you know, we're newer truck, newer trailer, newer thing. I got a winch on the trailer now. We're freaking.
Doesn't work.
We're yeah,
Wires are all messed up.
it works with if you jump on the battery box.
Ghetto Trevor wiring.
Yeah, so you have to use the battery box to use the winch, but hey, it's better than freaking pushing cars like on the tow dolly and then like running them off the edge.
Oh, we should have towed all this thing. Is it all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
No.
Alright guys, we are back at the shop. It made it. One piece, Trev. Does it feel a little bit more real?
I mean, no.
No? Yeah.
If it started and was knocking, then it would feel real. But I mean, it feels cool sitting in here. All right, guys. So we have this ejected in the air, and we're gonna go ahead and yank off the bottom drip tray. If you start looking at this thing, you can see it's got like a bunch of oil. That's the whole dry sump setup right there, because the actual engine is in the front and the transmission is in the back. So I'm gonna pull off this whole drip pan, and then I should be able to look at stuff, maybe drain the oil from the dry sump tank. Look at that exhaust. I feel like that's
Kind of weird.
it just like
Just dumps.
dumps right there. I feel like that's
Seems
just
like this would be like connected somehow.
yeah, or like it's gonna melt the bumper. As far as it hasn't melted the bumper. Laying under this thing trying to diagnose it a little bit. We were doing a couple little tests with the starter right here. So we're basically taking this wire and running it to the positive on the thing right there, and seeing if it would. Actually, it's the other one. Where's it at? Nope, it's this one. So basically taking that jumping it.
That's just pops it out. You need to do both. So you need that
No,
one to pop it out. And
it's
the other
doing
one
it
turns
too. It's doing both because it's doing what it does when the starter does it. But so pretty sure she's freaking locked up. Where's the screwdriver? Okay, so we got the screwdriver here. We have this little hole, and you can see basically the clutch up in there. And so how I was doing my little lockup test is I was just going right here. You can see like some teeth on the flywheel, and I was just prying on it a little bit, going this way, stick it up in this, and this going this way, and she's locked. So that I guess that's about it. Freaking this thing is locked up. The cheap Audi R8 is still cheap because I haven't bought an engine for it yet, or rebuilt the engine. So I think I have some big plans for this thing. I'm gonna try and pull the engine out and do everything basically myself. Pull the engine apart, check it out, see what it's doing. Obviously, I think it ran low on oil and had some issues because the car has been tuned. There's a sticker in the back window, IE, and there's actually a dyno video of this thing on YouTube. So IE tuned. It has a Valvetronic exhaust on it, and the car actually made 490 wheel horsepower and 380 foot-pounds of torque. And that was in Salt Lake City. So yeah, definitely locked up engine, expensive fix, but I think kind of the goals with this thing is to go ahead, rebuild the engine, upgrade the internals and everything, and eventually try to do potentially a turbo. So I am pretty stoked about this whole project. I've been kind of getting, not necessarily bored with stuff recently, but I kind of want to take everything to the next level, and I feel like this would be a nice challenge for me. I've always been interested in like exotic cars and Lamborghinis and all that type of stuff, and this is literally pretty much the same exact thing as a Gallardo. The V10, the engine, the tranny, I'm pretty sure the same shell and everything. It just has like different sheet metal on it and interior. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this build. If you guys are interested in things like this, be sure to subscribe and follow the Instagram and all that other type of stuff. But yeah, I guess the search continues for parts, and I guess in the next video we'll probably start tearing this thing